Hey guys, today let's learn how to enable the nightstand mode on iOS 17. So this is going to be pretty easy, guys. All we need to make sure of is that we have iOS 17 installed onto our device and we are currently charging. So as you would notice, I'm currently charging my device right now. I'm going to go ahead and exit low power mode because I do have sufficient power already. But once we're here, I just want you guys to tap on your settings application and I want you to scroll down until you see the standby mode. Now this is basically the setting that we want to go ahead and look up to make sure that we have nightstand enabled. So basically we have night mode on, or you could also turn it off if you prefer. But basically what night mode is, it just shows a red tint with low ambient lighting. But basically the standby mode is what we want to go have and turned on. So once you're here, I just wanted to go ahead and turn your device off and then put your device on its side. Automatically that will turn on the nightstand mode. So as you would notice, here is what that should look like. I'm very sorry if you don't really see the proper orientation of this, but I'm going to go ahead and change and make you see the whole thing. So as you would notice, here is what standby mode looks like as you are charging your device, and this is also the nightstand mode on iOS 17. Once you go ahead and unlock your device, you're going to exit the standby mode and go back to your original orientation, or you could also view your widgets. As you would see, you could actually go through your clocks, your date and times and settings as well, and your maps as well. So it's that easy, guys, to proceed with accessing standby mode. Thank you guys for watching this video, and once you basically proceed with going back to the original orientation and holding your phone in your hands, it's gonna go back to the normal orientation. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.